This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hummus pita step by step. First, gather your ingredients. 1 can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil. Combine the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic in a food processor. Blend until the mixture is smooth, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to achieve your desired creamy consistency. This forms the perfect base for your flavorful hummus. Now that your hummus is blended, it's time to perfect its flavor. Season it with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin for that authentic taste. Next, let's prepare the pita bread. You can warm it gently in a dry skillet on the stovetop or in an oven for a few minutes until it's soft and pliable. Once warm, slice the pita bread into halves or quarters, creating convenient pockets for your filling. With your hummus ready and pita warmed, it's time for assembly. Carefully open each pita half to create a pocket. Spread a generous layer of your freshly made hummus inside. Then, fill the pocket with your favorite fresh toppings. Crisp cucumber slices, juicy tomato, and thinly sliced red onion are excellent choices. Finish with a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for a beautiful presentation and added flavor. Your homemade hummus pita is now ready to be served immediately as a delightful snack or a light, satisfying meal. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or cilantro. It truly elevates the experience. And hey, if you're looking for new ways to explore recipes or enjoy a good story, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.